Let's go, baby. Let's go, Betty. Come on, baby. You can't catch up. Get. Hey yo, we back with another banger video, and today we got all the cars out, and y'all know what we finna do. Part 2. We're finna blast this hoe. Yeah. Today's sponsor is Vaunt. Make sure y'all check them out. They're a lighting company. Use my code AJPSTS10 to get the 10% off. Where the colors will change, and we're gonna do that real quick. But there it goes. That's how it looks. These are pretty cool. So make sure you check them out. Finna get on the street. You know what we do, and we're gonna piss some people off, some Karens, you know. This is one of them right here. Let's hop right into it. Let's go. God damn, boy. Yo, through it. Yo, that's hella smoke, bro. Yo, hey, yo, damn, that bitch stinks, bro. Run. Hey, they finna run it, Neil. Yo, he's doing a burnout again. Why are you doing a burnout? I'm not. That's how my tires are, bro. Woo! Alright, y'all. Oh my god. Yo. Here we go. This is fun. Bro, oh my god. That shit sounds good as fuck. That boy wildin', bro. He's gone. Oh, shit. wasn't even in sport, bro. Look. Oh, now I am, cause I double tapped it, but I was in auto the whole time. Shit stinks. That shit was, bro, that was wild. But we here. We're finna go eat real quick. Alright, we just ate. Now we back. Better get some ice cream, bro. Oh, whoa, that boy took a sharp right. Who the hell is that? Who the hell is that? Oh, that's the SUV. He with us. This is a bad road to speed on, but I think we're finna wing it, swing it, fuck it. Alright, here we go. There it goes. That's what I want to hear. That's what I want to hear, bro. That's what I want to hear. Hella pops. Oh no. Oh, what are you reversing for? Alright, you know what? Let's put this in sport. Let's see if it pops more. We're gonna find out. Oh, it's definitely more. I'm not even like getting on it. That's so loud. There's a 12 over there, bro. What the hell? Oh shit. Oh shit, roll it up, roll it up. Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit, oh shit. Where the fuck is he going, bro? Oh god. Oh, he's going for it. Let me turn this off. We got a vet, bro. We got a vet. I'm gonna let him come. Hey, there he is. Look at him. Look at him. Look at him. Let's go, baby. Let's go, Betty. Come on, baby. You can't catch up. Get back. Get back. Look, 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 look. Bro, I'll dust him. I don't give a fuck. It's a C6, bro. I'll get on his ass real quick. I'm gonna miss my fucking exit. Oh, no, I'm not. No, I'm not. Oh, shit. I swear, bro. All right, let me show you, bro. I'm not even in sport, bro. All right, bro. That was cool. All right, y'all. I hope you enjoyed the video. But that's pretty much it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, stay tuned, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace out. Hey.